Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
Hello, fellow anglers. In this video, I will explain how to get Fein fish on fish. This highly sought-after catch is a special, shiny mutation of the Napoleon fish, making it quite rare. We will cover everything from preparing your gear to finding the perfect fishing spot. You will also learn the best techniques to reel in this elusive creature, ensuring your fishing adventures are both rewarding and successful. Let's dive in and get started. To begin your quest for the Fein fish, proper preparation is key. First, ensure you have a strong fishing rod. A carbon rod for $2,000 is a good early upgrade. While the Napoleon fish isn't picky about bait, using any will increase your chances. A fish radar, though a bit costly, is incredibly helpful for spotting fish. Also, consider a windset totem, available for $2,000 to control the weather conditions. Once your gear is ready, head to Sunstone Island, the primary habitat of the Napoleon fish. You'll want to fish in the outskirts or from a prominent rock. The Fein fish appears during the day, specifically in windy weather during the summer season. When you get a bite, engage in the reeling minigame by keeping the white bar within the moving fish line. Filling the progress meter without letting the line slip out secures your catch. To maximize your chances of getting the shiny Fein fish, visit the appraiser in Moosewood. For $450, they can appraise your Napoleon fish, potentially transforming it into the rare shiny mutation. If the weather isn't cooperating, simply switch to a different server until you find windy conditions. Remember, achieving perfect catches by keeping the line consistently within the bar grants you double experience and slightly more valuable fish. Happy fishing!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.